I don't even know how to introduce this video because this is such a random idea that I had. I bought these fake teeth on Amazon and they're not actual teeth, they're just the gum. So basically it's like a baby or like an old person's gum. On the actual package it's like a costume for like an old man. So I think this is meant for like Halloween. Wait, let me open it up so I can show you. The instructions basically say that you put this in hot water, like in a hot water cup, and then you can move it around. It becomes soft like real gum, and then you put it in your mouth and then you have no teeth for like the whole day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, anything I eat today, I have to eat it without teeth. Like when you officially run out of ideas. This is the most exciting part of the video because this is the transformation. I'm essentially gonna become a baby or an old person. So here we got the stuff. This is called Enquiries sin dientes. I think this is Spanish, so I don't really know what that means. I wonder what I'm gonna look like with no teeth. And I hope this fits me because I do have like, I've got like big teeth. I'm putting the horse in horse face. I think what we have to do here is we have to remove the white things. Like you're supposed to be able to remove it first. Maybe we need hot water first, so I'm gonna heat up some water. So I'm gonna put the hot water on top of the teeth. Isn't this what like old people do before they go to bed? I'm like, I love noodle soup. I just realized that it's so freaking hard, like when you touch it. That means once this dries in your mouth, there's no way this will ever come off. Wait, how am I gonna microwave this to come out of my teeth? Oh shoot. I don't know if you guys can see, but it went completely transparent. Like it was white, the glue. Oh, this is so weird. Wait. It's so sticky. It's like slime. Oh, schnitzel. I should have brushed my teeth before. I don't think it will hay. Wow, even my voice sounds different. This is crazy because I was all go on this video. Oh fuck, subtitles are so tough to edit. Me arriving to pick you up from like, aren't you glad you said yes? I have some leftovers from yesterday. This is some work. Holy schnitzel, this is gonna be a challenge. I couldn't even chew like a small piece of broccoli because it doesn't work. We're gonna move on for breakfast now, so I need to find something to eat, and I don't really know if I have anything at home that I can actually eat without teeth. Wow, ironic that you can't say teeth. Love that. Oh, I can eat yogurt. Right? Yogurt is a good one. I can have peanut butter. Okay, options. We can drink juice. I've got lemonade. So we can have lemonade. We can have ketchup. But we can't have ketchup with anything else. Do you guys think I can eat cheese maybe? I love cheese. And that's for breakfast. Wow. I am so hungry right now, like seriously hungry, and I know that I'm gonna basically starve for like the whole video. Yogurt is a safe option, so I'm gonna open this yogurt. This is a honey and Greek yogurt. This is gonna mix with the glue. It's gonna be so weird. That's pretty easy. We also got some peanut butter. Actually, this was almond butter. It's more difficult to say. Oh, that's so sticky. It stays all over my lips because I can't put it down. I don't know how my grandma does it. Seriously. I already respect it, now I respect even more. Let's do peanut butter and yogurt. That actually looks like ice cream. The yogurt makes it so much easier to eat anything. Oh, we should try eating the cheese. Here's me eating a slice of cheese with no teeth. I don't know where it went, but it's not anywhere. Like I actually can't find it in my mouth. I didn't swallow it, but I can't find it. We got some juice though. Juice. Oh, there's the cheese. What I want to do next is I actually want to go to the supermarket because these are all the foods that I can eat that I have at home. But I want to buy foods for lunch and for dinner as well. So I'm thinking of maybe buying baby food. We're about to go to the supermarket now. I'm sorry if you can't understand me very well. I'm really trying my best to speaking as normal as I can. It's so stuck that it doesn't come out. So, yeah. This is my life now. Let's go shopping, guys, with this beautiful pair of teeth. I look like Voldemort. Did Voldemort have teeth? Coming for his brand, honestly. So let's buy some freaking food. Oh, these are cereal bars, but they're soft. It says soft cereal bars. I don't know if you can see. So this is an option. Carrot cake. Yeah. Cocoa. Yes. Oh no. What kind of babies got teeth to eat this? Like, I ain't got no teeth with this. Cheese crackers. I mean, I thought this was a safe space. I'm triggered. Cheesy tomato macaroni. I'm like, I think I can eat macaroni. Curry pie. Curry. Curry is a safe choice for no teeth, right? Ooh. Lasagna. That's good. Let's put it on. Wait. This does not look like what I expected. Maybe we'll put another one. I wouldn't save the microwave meals for later, and for now we're gonna try these meals that don't really need to go in the microwave. You can just eat them as it is. So here we've got potatoes with chicken, and here we've got pasta with spinach, and I literally just pat all over it. It's so solid, it's got the shape of the jar. It tastes like tuna, even though it's chicken, but honestly, it's pretty easy to eat, and I actually kind of like the flavor. I feel like I got a little bit of pasta everywhere though. Let's try the spinach pasta. Oh, that was too good to be true. Baby spinach pasta, not approved. That tastes like vomit. I mean, that's where it comes from. I want to try the carrot cake because I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat that. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so solid. Where did it go? I feel like it gets everywhere in my mouth, but I can't actually swallow it. Yeah. Grandma, if you're watching this, do not buy the carrot cakes because very difficult to eat with our teeth. It's a little bit later and I'm about to have my afternoon snack / dinner. Look at the beautiful selection we've got. And I've got more peanut butter because I actually really like that for breakfast. This one right here is a fish curry. The middle one is baby mac and cheese. And this one is spaghetti bolognese, which is an interesting look. I actually can't believe we made it to dinner without actually eating anything that's solid. Everything I've eaten has practically been liquid or like a paste. I'm gonna start with the spaghetti bolognese. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god. Where have you been my whole life? Wow. So this is the mac and cheese. Weird. It tastes nothing like actual mac and cheese. It tastes like pizza. It tastes like pizza sauce. I will eat it, but not my favorite. My gums are starting to hurt. They're like sore from this. And last but not least, we've got a fish curry. Oh. I like it. I mean, listen. It doesn't have a lot of flavor, but like, I think I like it. I mean, my favorite one is the spaghetti bolognese, but all of them are actually pretty good. I think I should remove this. Oh, that feels so weird. Oh, really hurt. There's literally no food in it. Like, the food doesn't actually stick to it. Also, it's so weird to hear my normal voice again. It's like when you see an annoying friend that you don't really like, but you haven't seen them in so long. Like, you're annoying, but I've missed you. Ever since I remember, my grandma complains about like not having teeth, or like having to have those like fake teeth that basically stops it from eating anything crunchy. And I really get that. Like, it's like you want to eat something so badly, but you know that you actually can't. It's like really annoying. So a huge shout out to all the grandmas and everyone who's got no teeth, because it's not easy. It's genuinely not easy. It's one of those moments that you realize that you really take your health and the stuff that you have like for granted. Like, for sure, a wake-up call to like how nice and solid my teeth are. Thank you for being sturdy. This was a silly challenge, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I actually did have fun filming this today. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give this video a like. It means a lot to me and I really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and switch my notifications on. All you have to do is press that little bell, and then every time I put up a new video, and if YouTube thinks you might enjoy it, you will receive a notification for it. Leave a comment down below and let me know, did you guys ever like break your tooth, or maybe got injured in your jaw and you couldn't eat and you only had to have like liquid foods for like a whole day, or maybe like a whole week? Or maybe your grandpa doesn't have any teeth? Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any funny food stories, because I always love reading those from you guys. I love you guys, I hope you had fun, and I will see you on my next video, which is gonna be in 1 or 2 days. Bye bye.